Students, one more thing, you may be confused with the bits. See, I told you this represents bit 3, bit 2, bit 1 and bit 0. Okay, see, bit 3 is connected here to the trainer. See, this is bit 3 and this is bit 2 is connected here, and from here this is bit 1 connected to the trainer here, and bit 0 is connected to 0 here. Okay, so bit 3 here, bit 2 here, bit 1 here, bit 0 here. So bit 3 is connected to trainer here, bit 2 is connected to this point, and this is bit 1 is connected here, and this bit 0 is connected here. So when we give the input here, what happens? It is taken at this point. Okay, so when I say, for example, 0 0 1 0, what happens? Here it is 0 0 and this will be 1 and this is 0. Okay, so it is connected here. This is the continuation of R to 2R ladder network using mod 6 counter. So using mod 6 counter means what we are doing? We are using 7493 IC to give the inputs here. See what we are doing here in 7493 IC, pin number 14 represents the clock, VCC is 5 volts, 11, 8, 9 and 12 are the inputs given as bits. Okay, so this represents D0 which is connected to B0, D1 to B1, D2 to B2 and D3 to B3. So pin number 1 and D0 are shorted. Again pin number 2, 3 and 10 are shorted and connected to ground, and this is very important, the clock pulse. So what we are doing here, we are giving the input in terms of clocks. Okay, suppose if the clock is 1, I will press only once. If the clock is 2, 1 2 second, 2 times I have to press. If I want the input 3, you have to press this 3 times. Similarly, if I want 14, I have to press this 14 times. Okay, I will show it while explaining the circuitry. So this is 7493 IC we are making use to give the inputs to this, give the input as bits. See, so this is 741 op amp. So till here the connections are same as we have discussed in the previous video. So this is an extra 7493 IC we are using here. See, 7493 IC, it is a mod 16 counter. Okay, so it is a 14 pin IC. So here it is like this: pin number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So the connections are made according to this. Okay, so pin number 2 3 and 10 are shorted, means here it is 2 3 and 10 are shorted. Those connections are, I think you can like if you see this, you can make the connection here. So I will explain the circuitry, how exactly it works. Okay, see here. So this is VCC. VCC is connected to pin number 5. See here, VCC is connected to pin number 5 and pin number 14. So this is pin number 14. Pin number 14 is connected to the clock here. See, this is pin number 14 here. So for this IC, pin number 14 vertically go in this direction and connect to the clock. So this is the clock wherein we are giving the inputs. See here, these are the bits. These are the bits D3, D2, D1 and D0, or I can say B3, B2, B1 and B0. Okay, so these are the inputs. So where we are connecting, look here, B0 is connected to D0, that is pin number 12, and here B0 means here. So this is your B0 connected to pin number 12 here. Okay, so likewise bit B1, so this is your bit B1 connected to pin number 9. Okay, so somewhere here you have to observe that connection. Similarly B2 to D2 and B3 to D3. So that is pin number 11, 8, 9 and 12. You have to trace that. So here what we are doing, to give the inputs to this to give the inputs to these bits, what we are using, we are making use of the clock pulse here. To give the inputs, we are making use of the clock pulse. See, suppose if I make this as 0, okay, so how to, if I make this 0, suppose 0, wait, I will show you. See here, I have not given any input. So since I have not given any input, the output voltage will be 0. Now it means what? Bit 3, 2, 1 and 0. Bit 0 to bit 3 will be equal to 0. Suppose if I set the input equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, means if LSB is 1, the remaining bits are 0, means it represents 1. So what I have to do? I have to press this pulse. I have to give this pulse, or I have to give one clock pulse. So how to give? Just press only once. So this represents the equivalent of 0, 0, 0, 1. The digital equivalent of 0, 0, 0, 1 will be equal to analog equivalent of 0.7. So once I have given the clock pulse. Suppose if I want the input 2. For 2, what is the binary? Binary is 0, 0, 1, 0. So I have to press this pulse 2 times. So 1, that's all. So previous one and this one 1.3. Suppose if I want the next one suppose if I want the binary equivalent of 0, 0, 1, 0, again I have to press. Okay. So this gives the equivalent 2. Suppose if I want 4, press once again. So this is the equivalent for 4. Means 0, 1, 0, 0, it is equivalent to minus 2.5. Suppose if I want to give the input 5, press once again. Okay, like this. If you go on pressing, if I want directly 7 times, I have to press this. Then I will get the equivalent. So since I am going from the sequence 0 to 0, 1, 2 and 3, I will just press increase 1 like this. See here. This may be 4, 5, 6, 7, likewise. Okay. So you have to go on this up to 111. So for 111, the maximum value will be 9.4. So 9.4 is for 15. So if I press again, it will go for reset. So this is 0. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and this is 15. That's all. Okay.